Manufacturing today is evolving faster than ever. Production volumes are rising, processes are becoming more complex, and expectations around quality are higher than before. In this environment, success is no longer driven by machines alone. It is driven by how well people are trained, prepared, and deployed. Because when skills, systems, and training fail to keep up with growth, quality is the first thing that suffers. As manufacturing organizations increase production, expectations around zero defects and consistent quality continue to rise. Yet many defects are still related to manpower. Human errors, skill mismatches, untrained workers, and poor adherence to training systems remain ongoing challenges. Even with training centers available, lack of hands-on practice and limited insight into training effectiveness continue to impact shop floor performance. To improve performance, the most successful factories track key performance indicators, or KPIs, linked to quality, efficiency, and training outcomes. KPIs help answer important questions. Are operators reaching the expected skill levels? Is training reducing defects on the line? Is manpower productive when deployed? Key manufacturing KPIs include first-time yield, training completion and certification rates, skill competency levels across processes, manpower-related defect rates, utilization of trained manpower, and time to competency. Measuring these KPIs connects training effectiveness directly to business results. Traditional training systems rely heavily on classrooms, manuals, and manual tracking. Skill-intensive processes often do not receive enough practice due to safety risks and material costs. As a result, training becomes reactive instead of preventive and performance-driven. To address these challenges, the industry is moving toward a smarter and more sustainable framework. DOJO 2.0. DOJO 2.0 transforms training into a digital, data-driven, and skills-focused system designed for long-term sustenance. DOJO 2.0 strengthens training through 4 key pillars: advanced manpower planning, digital skill monitoring, process-specific learning, and immersive digital simulation. Together, these pillars ensure training is structured, measurable, and scalable. Advanced manpower planning provides visibility into workforce availability, skill distribution, attrition, and absenteeism, enabling proactive and informed decisions. Digital learning systems replace manual records with automated skill tracking, ensuring the right person is assigned to the right job. Process-specific dojos deepen operator understanding of welding, machining, painting, assembly, and inspection, including defect causes and troubleshooting. Digital simulators enable safe, repeatable practice using augmented, virtual, and mixed reality with objective skill evaluation. The impact of this transformation is clearly visible on the shop floor. Organizations adopting structured digital training systems start seeing measurable results. Manpower-related defects reduce by 20 to 30%. First-time yield improves by 10 to 15%. Time to competency reduces by 25 to 40%. Training completion rates cross 95%. Workforce utilization improves by 15 to 25%. Training shifts from a support activity to a direct driver of quality and productivity. Digital dashboards give leadership real-time insights into training utilization, skill KPIs, and manpower-driven defect trends. This ensures training outcomes remain measurable, reviewable, and sustainable. This is where Yeppar X.O plays a unique role. Yeppar X.O is a next-generation immersive training system that brings DOJO 2.0 principles to life. Through advanced AR, VR, and MR simulations, Yeppar X.O enables hands-on, process-specific training that is safe, repeatable, and measurable. It connects training strategies to real-world workforce performance. The future of manufacturing is not just about machines. It depends on how well people are trained to use them. With DOJO 2.0 as the intelligent training solution and Yeppar X.O as the performance dashboard, Skill development becomes a strategic advantage, not just a requirement.